Hey guys, so this is the video diary of the blizzard of 2013. I'm just hanging out here with Scarlett. Andy has been trying to shovel us out of the driveway for like, I don't know, 2 hours now. But I just wanted to give you an idea for everyone who has heat and thinks I'm a crybaby of how cold it is. So we have one blanket, two blankets, three blankets, four blankets. Um, let's see, a hat, a sweater. Anyways, my mother-in-law just called and said that it was going to be 0 degrees tonight. So, but anyways, we should probably get over there. Because they have heat and a fireplace, electricity, but I've been trying to stage a sit-in and tell Andy that we shouldn't leave because I don't want to leave. It's so much easier to stay here. But I just want to give you an idea of how cold it is. Can you see that? I'm just breathing. Hold on. It's unbelievably cold. I think it's 45 degrees in my house right now, so you can imagine what it's going to be overnight. But I hope that everyone is staying warm and toasty. I could definitely deal with not having electricity, but the no heat thing, that's what's the killer. Bye.